In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Chrome location. If websites like maps, rideshare services, or weather pages aren't finding where you are, it usually means Chrome doesn't have permission to access your location. I'll walk you through the main way to enable it inside Chrome, how to allow a specific site if it was blocked, and a few quick fixes if it still doesn't work. First, let's turn on location access directly in Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your phone. In the top right, tap the three dots to open the menu, then go to Settings. Choose Privacy and Security, and then tap Site Settings. Find and select Location. Here, you'll see the main control for location access. Turn Location on, or choose Ask before accessing. Turning it on allows Chrome to request your location when a site needs it, while Ask before accessing keeps you in control by showing a prompt each time. Either option ensures sites can request your location when necessary, and you can decide to allow or block on a site-by-site basis. If you only need to allow a particular website, or if a site was previously blocked, you can adjust it from the page itself. Open the site in Chrome, for example, a Maps website. Look for the lock icon next to the address bar and tap it. Go to Permissions, then Location, and set it to Allow. This change tells Chrome that this specific site can use your location even if it was blocked before. If location still doesn't work after that, here are a few quick things to try. First, restart Chrome by closing the app completely and reopening it. If that doesn't help, restart your phone to clear any temporary issues. Next, return to Chrome's location settings and check the blocked sites list. If the website you're trying to use appears there, remove it from the blocked list so it can ask again. Finally, make sure Chrome itself has location permission at the system level. Open your Android settings, go to Apps, find Chrome, tap Permissions, then Location, and make sure it's allowed. Without this device permission, Chrome won't be able to access your location even if everything in the browser looks correct. With these steps, you should have Chrome set up to share your location when you choose, and only with the sites you trust. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your location working smoothly in Google Chrome.